Yes, student. Continuing our component for internal and undercut mold, we just go to line command, P line command, and draw a line downward to 2.75, then 7.7, then upward by 2.75, then rightward by 6.1, then downward by 2.75, then 7.7, then upward by 6.1, then 2.75, then 6.1 rightward, then that is down, control Z, that is only be 3.55, and this is the some mistake is there because does not touch this line. There is some this is the 3.55, here is the 3.55, yes, but how much is this? This is 2.755. It is wrong, and we have to stretch it using stretch command by 1. Now it is okay, and we have to just edit it, joining this polyline to this, and now offset it by 0.85. From where 0.85, this is the thickness of this profile. This is 0.85. You can check it here, and then enter, offset 0.85, enter, and offset it by downward. Then draw a line, rectangle here. The rectangle should be 70 by, here we can check the rectangle size, that is 9.8, 70 by 9.8. we can draw a rectangle here, re-enter, 70 by 9.8, and now the front view of this drawing is complete. Now we go to polyline here and draw a line from its through its midpoint, crossing it, and then move it just like this, and it can be extended to this. And now draw again the polygon and pick point here and put width to this polyline by 0.6, and mirror it to the right or at the midpoint, and this is the section view, and we can write here the x. Now just draw polyline here showing arrow upward, and the starting arrow distance should be 1.8, 3 times of the thickness. W enter 1.8, and then ending distance should be 0, and this is the arrow, and we can mirror it. Sorry, here we have to write X, word X, just here. Okay, if it is too small, we can change. It is too much, it is so much, you just change it by 4, and now it is okay. Mirror the both at the midpoint, and now we just draw section XX. We can copy this rectangle downward, or copy this to downward, and then erase this. Now draw a line at 13 point, offset the line by 1 mm. This we can just offset O enter, 1 enter, and offset this inside, then trim this line and extend both the line upward. Now we just check the distance 13.2 plus 0.5, so we just draw a line here by 13.7, then draw a line at the rate, the angle should be 2 degrees, so at the rate of 15, angle 271, and then trim it here and erase this. Now erase this, delete, and then draw a line here by 0.5, and then mirror this at the mid, and then we just copy, draw a line here by 1 mm, and then upward by 1 mm, then leftward by 1 mm, and then you can copy CO, this thing, from here and draw a line here and move this at here. Now trim the extra lines or append. And erase these lines. Now this thing is okay. Now we just check something, that is is okay. And now just we draw this thing. This is the section. We can check the dimension of this by 0.3, and we just draw here a line by 0.3, and now at the rate of 10 angle 360 minus 45, that is 315, and now mirror the same at the mid, and then we can check the distance of this, that is here 2 mm from this. So we just draw a line here and move it by 2 mm. Then move all this at the perpendicular of this. Now we can check the distance here, how much this required. It should be of 0.5. Here is the distance 0.5. So just draw a line here 0.5. Sorry, 0.5, and then move all the structure, move this to the perpendicular of this, and then erase, erase it, and check the distance here to intersection. It is wrong, it is 4.99. So again we have to draw one line by 0.5, Control Z. Just draw a line here 0.5, and then move all this profile from the intersection of this, Control Z, move previous intersection to the perpendicular. Now it is okay. You can check it is of 0.5. Now erase this and also erase this line and trim this all lines